Ever wondered what would happen if kangaroos lived in North America? It's a wild thought, right? Let's dive into this wild thought experiment and see what it would take for these iconic marsupials to make a home on a different continent. First off, kangaroos are iconic to Australia. They're not just animals, they're a symbol of the country. They've evolved to thrive in the unique environment down under, with its arid landscapes and specific flora and fauna. But could they survive and adapt to North America's varied landscapes? North America is a land of extremes, with a wide range of climates and terrains. All right, let's start with the habitat. North America has everything from scorching deserts to lush forests and freezing tundras. The continent's diversity is astounding, from the dry, hot deserts of the Southwest to the dense, humid forests of the Pacific Northwest and the icy expanses of the Arctic tundra. Kangaroos are used to arid regions, kind of like Arizona or Nevada. They might do okay there, hopping around the cacti and all. These areas are somewhat similar to their natural habitat in Australia, with sparse vegetation and dry conditions. But what about the cold places, like Canada? That's a whole different ballgame. Kangaroos aren't built for snow and ice, so survival there would be a major challenge. Their thin fur and lack of body fat make them ill-suited for freezing temperatures. They would struggle to find food and stay warm, making it unlikely they could thrive in such harsh conditions. Now let's talk food. Kangaroos munch on grasses and shrubs, which North America has plenty of. But here's the catch. They'd have to compete with local herbivores, deer, bison, and pronghorns. These animals are well adapted to their environments and have established feeding patterns. Kangaroos would be the newcomers trying to carve out a niche, and that's not even considering predators. North America has its own set of formidable predators. Kangaroos aren't used to dealing with mountain lions or bears. They'd have to be on high alert all the time, which could be incredibly stressful. Constant vigilance would be necessary to avoid becoming prey, adding another layer of difficulty to their survival. And how about their social structure? Kangaroos live in mobs, which are large groups that help them stay safe and find food. Could they form similar social structures here? Maybe, but it's not guaranteed. Different environment, different rules. The dynamics of their social groups could be disrupted. They might struggle to maintain their social bonds in a new and challenging environment. Also, think about the potential environmental impact. Introducing a new species can mess with the local ecosystem. It could lead to overgrazing or push out native species. Remember what happened with rabbits in Australia? Not great. They became an invasive species, causing significant ecological damage. The introduction of kangaroos could have similar unintended consequences, disrupting the balance of local ecosystems. So could kangaroos survive in North America? In some places, maybe. But it would be a tough adaptation process and come with a lot of risks. Nature has a balance, and introducing a new player like the kangaroo could tip the scales in unexpected ways. The challenges of adapting to new predators, competing for food, and surviving in different climates would be immense. If you enjoyed this little thought experiment, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more curious content. And hey, if you have any wild what-ifs, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing your ideas and exploring them together. Until next time, stay curious. Thanks for watching. Keep wondering, keep exploring, and keep asking those big questions. See you in the next video.